Welcome back to KnowHow. Today we are going to explore one of the most powerful and versatile function in Excel, that is SUMIF function. With SUMIF, you can quickly sum up values based on specific conditions, making it easy to analyze and report on your data. In this tutorial, I will use some practical examples to help you explain the use of SUMIF function. So let's get started.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the data that have been taken from the sales store. In this data you can see that we have the foods, and these foods belong to different category of vegetable or fruit, and next we have the sales in terms of dollars. And from this data we wanted to calculate the total sale, total vegetable sales and total fruit sales. To calculate the total sale, I will go to this cell and write equal sum bracket start and then select all the values. I will close this bracket and press enter. So I have simply calculated the sum of values that represents the total sale. But to calculate the total vegetable sale, I cannot use the simple sum function. For this purpose, I have to use the SUMIF function, in which I can calculate the sum on the basis of any criteria. For this purpose, I will write equal and then I will write SUMIF bracket start, and here first I have to provide the range. So these categories and sales is actually my range. After providing the range, the next thing is the criteria. So for example, here I want to calculate the vegetable sale. So in inverted commas, I will write vegetables. After this, I will put comma and then I will select the sale values. Then I will close this bracket and press enter. Here you can see that the formula is not calculating the sales because I have made a mistake. In the syntax, I have to provide the exact spelling of the vegetable that is present in my range. So here I have write vegetable, but in formula I am writing the vegetables. Therefore it is not calculating this value. So we have to use the same spellings that we have used in the dataset. To correct it, I am going to the formula bar and here I am going to remove this S and then press enter. So here you can see that now it is calculating the total vegetable sales. Now to calculate the total fruit sale, again I will write equal SUMIF bracket start, and first I will select the range. So this is the range. Next I have to give the criteria, and the criteria is the fruit. So I will write fruit in inverted commas. Then I will put comma, and next I have to give the sale amount. Next I will close this bracket and press enter. So here we have calculated the total fruit sale. So this type of data in which we have to sum up the values on the basis of a certain criteria, SUMIF function is very helpful. That's it for today's tutorial on SUMIF function in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or topic you would like us to cover next, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials and tips and tricks. See you next time.